A wet dryer lint trap can be caused by several factors. The most common reasons include a blockage in the vent, cold weather, a destroyed vent cover, or overloading the dryer. To address these issues, start by cleaning the blockage in the vent. Unplug the dryer, locate the vent, and remove it to inspect for any blockages. Use a brush and a vacuum cleaner to remove lint and clean the vent opening. If the vent cover is damaged, replace it and ensure the vent flap or cover can move freely in one direction without remaining open. Overloading the dryer can lead to excessive wet lint, so it's essential to keep the dryer manageable. In cold weather, properly insulate the vent tubing and ensure the vent cover is functioning optimally. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider consulting a professional. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the problem, ensuring your dryer lint trap remains dry and functional.